This happens to thousands of Shopify stores every single day, and most owners don't even know it's happening. The product is in stock, the system says it's not. At Ecomclips, we have helped thousands of sellers fix this problem in just couple of minutes. Now I am going to show you how to fix that fast. There are different ways to fix this issue. Let's start with this usual suspect. So here is what happens most of the time. You have got a product with multiple variations, maybe different sizes or colors, and for some weird reasons, one of them shows as sold out while the others are working perfectly. First thing, head over to your product section. Find the out of stock child, I mean the product that's giving you the trouble. Click on it. Now, here is a little trick. If one variant is showing sold out, the easiest way is just delete the variants and then again list it. Click on that troublesome variant, hit delete variant and add it fresh using that little plus button. It's like turning it off and on again. But what if everything shows out of stock or sold out? Here is what you need to do. Click on each variant one by one. For each one, you are looking for a checkout that says continue selling when out of stock. Check that box. While you are in there, take a quick look at the quantity. If it says 0, bump it up to 10 or whatever makes sense for your store. Hit save and repeat for each variant. Now here is a time saver. Once you have done this for at least one variant, you can actually select all variants at once and make bulk changes. Look for that continue selling when out of stock option and make sure it's selected for everything. The location settings fix. Alright, let's dig a little deeper. Click on settings down at the bottom left of your screen. Search for locations. What you want to do here is add a location. Basically, you are telling Shopify where your inventory actually lives. When you are adding the locations, there is super important checkbox. Use inventory at the location to fulfill online orders. Make sure that's checked. This is usually checked by default, but hey, it's worth double checking. Before you go, look, I get it. Tech issues are annoying. But hopefully, one of these solutions got you back up and running. If you tried everything and you're still stuck, drop a comment and tell me exactly what's happening. Like what does your screen shows, what error message you are seeing. We hang out in the comments and we'll do best to help you figure it out. Still, if you can also mail us at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference, we'll get back to you soon with the solution as soon as possible. Alright, that's it from me. Hope this helped and hey, see you in the next one. Peace.